inches, here they come.
Hey guys, we're back in the Gulf State Park campground today. We're going to be going down Rabbit Road to take a look at the different campsite locations, other amenities of Gulf State Park. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing. Hit that subscribe button. I'll do a different road each week as we cover the entire Gulf State Park campground. And that was Rabbit Road, located in the Gulf State Park campground. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing. Here's a short little video just to show you what the bathhouse and shower facilities have here at the Gulf State Park campground. Here's a quick little look at the bathhouse facilities here at the Gulf State Park campground. So 3 shower stalls with one being, it looks to be handicap accessible. Yes. Just an example of one of the bathhouses here at the Gulf State Park campground.
Inches, here they come.